Hi viewers, today we're looking at the sign function, which basically displays 0 if the value is 0 or 0, displays a -1 if the value is a negative value, and displays a 1, a positive 1, if the value is a positive number. First of all, we're going to start with select, and then we're going to do control spacebar and tab down to find the sign function. So yeah, control spacebar and page down to find the sign function, tab into it, and we're going to start off by entering a -23, which should give a return or display a value of -1, which it does. Then we're going to look at -23, which value, mathematical value, would be 0, so should return 0 below as well. As you can see, 0 is returned below. And then finally we're going to look at a positive value, so we're going to look at 23, and that should return a 1, which it does. And that's a sign function in MySQL Workbench.